Welcome to today's guide on enabling location permissions in Google Chrome on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you want to allow a website to access your location, follow these simple steps. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon in your taskbar or finding it in your applications. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the site you want to grant location access. For example, if you're visiting a map service or a local weather site, make sure it's loaded completely. Next, look for the lock icon or information icon located next to the web address in the address bar. Click on this icon to view site information. This will bring up a small menu displaying various permissions related to that site. Now click on Site Settings. This will open a new tab with detailed settings for that specific site. Here, you can manage what permissions the site has and what it can access. In the Site Settings menu, find the section labeled Location. Here, you will see options that allow you to control how the site interacts with your location data. Next to Location, you will find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Allow. This action grants the website permission to access your location whenever you visit it in the future. And that's it. You've successfully allowed location permission for that site in Google Chrome. Remember, it's always a good practice to check a site's privacy policy before granting access to your location data. With these steps, you can enhance your browsing experience by enabling location-based services that can provide more personalized content and features. Thank you for following along, and enjoy exploring the web with your new settings.